Unfortunate. I think I have seen this tragic incidents happen almost every day. So the instruction has been given to DGP, and DGP has done it to downward. Be it the traffic police, or be it the district administration, or be it the SPs, whoever, that any reckless drive, two-wheelers or four-wheelers, has to be handled very, very seriously, and to make sure also that everybody are safe. Because right now, see, like those silencer which they fitted, the sound of the silencer itself is just like a blast. So what happened? We have already taken action. Those people who did it, who fitted those kind of silencer, because we don't want to disturb anybody, and we continue to do that. Same way, those reckless driving, we will not tolerate, and we'll make sure that they are booked. They are booked and penalized as per law.